Get your hands up! Hands up!
If you don't follow a lawful order, serious things can happen.
Give me your hand! Get out of the car!
She just got into a car accident. Let me see your hands!
Trying to run away from the police is definitely not a good idea.
Watch out. Here, Jocko, here. Here. Drop the gun! He's got a gun!
One evening in June 2023, a police officer from Monona, Wisconsin, was out on his usual patrol with his canine partner Jacko. Everything started when the officer noticed a car without a license plate. What followed was a full-on chase on foot.
Get on the ground! I'll shoot you! Get on the ground!
The police officer tries to stop a car, but the driver, later identified as a 20-year-old named Jack Wan, refuses to stop and speeds away. This leads to a high-speed pursuit by the police. Before long, the intense chase takes off the highway.
No plates. We're going to be approaching Rim Rock. Speeds are 100, lane number 3. I'll take mutual aid from Fitchburg or Madison. We're passing Rim Rock now. 100 miles an hour, lane number 3. We're approaching Park. Looks like we may exit. Never mind, staying on it. Passing Park. Speeds are 85. Lane 2. We're getting into some traffic here. We're approaching Fish. Speeds are still 85. Looks like we're set up to exit Fish. Taking the exit.
Soon, the chase leads to an exit of the freeway. It's obvious the person running away isn't giving up easily.
Alright, they're going northbound Fish Hatch.
Our partner's calling in. Perfect. Help everyone.
Street, speed 50.
It's Mike's.
Speed 50, who's talking to me right now?
3535. We're going east on West Badger Road.
Copy that. We've got spikes approved from the city and from the county.
5 miles an hour of light traffic approaching Park. And northbound Park in the southbound lane.
Northbound Park in the southbound lane.
West on Youth Road.
You hold on to my
Northbound on
sunglasses.
Cypress.
Yes.
Thank you. Sequoia. Sorry, Jocko.
West on Sequoia.
You ready for a bite, buddy? If this guy foot bails, he's getting dog bit. Catalpa,
Looks like
Fish.
northbound Catalpa. And northbound Fish Hatchery.
Jack Wan skillfully dodges sharp strips on the road as the intense chase continues.
On the sidewalk.
Driving on the sidewalk.
Oh man, Drake was like
Yeah, Drake was fun.
southbound Fish Hatch.
Passing so many city squads.
I know. They got everyone out?
Did he hit spikes?
Negative.
Negative, no spikes.
No spike.
God, that was close though. He almost got him on the sidewalk.
Yeah.
There's another city squad.
Anyway, eastbound Wingra.
Info for assisting units. Car number 1's got a dog in it. If he foot bails, he's getting dogged. We're going to go outbound Park. You can call it again.
Outbound Park. please.
We're approaching fish from Wingra, and he almost rammed a squad.
Going towards behind the house.
Sorry, passing Spruce. Now Midland. Eugene, you can call it again.
East on Aaron Street.
Eastbound Aaron.
Sorry, Jock.
In the end, Jaquan couldn't steer clear of the spike strips ahead.
Spike hit, spike hit.
Spike hit.
Nice work.
We got hit.
Did you?
Yeah. K853, I've been spiked too. I'm gonna try to get out ahead of him and slow him down so I don't lose this pursuit. He has been spiked though, I can confirm it. Him and I both have.
Bail.
All of a sudden, the chase turns into a running pursuit, and there's a claim that Jaquan has a gun. Jacko starts running after them too.
Jocko here. Jocko here. Jocko here. You still see him, Eugene? Get in with that speed. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Jocko here. Attempted carjacking. Watch out, Eugene. Get on the ground. I'll shoot you. Get on the ground. Watch out, Eugene. Jocko here. 32 in his hand. 32. Selling him, Jocko. Selling him. Get on the ground. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Drop the f***ing gun. Drop the gun.
The crisis is avoided when Jacko tackles the suspect, who throws away the gun.
Roll on your stomach. Okay. My dog's on the bite. He's got a 32. Okay, please. Roll on your stomach. All over. I am. Please get him. Arms out. Put your arms out to your side. On your stomach, arms to your side. Hands behind your back, now. Hands behind your back. Do not move. Do not move. I'm me. Stay down.
Affirm, if you could start EMS, you got a dog bite. Hey, does anyone know where we are right now? Where are we?
We're on 755 Braxton.
755 Braxton, and
I got it on our channel 1.
I don't know if I need EMS from me or not. I got ran over getting out of my car. My squad also got smoked. All right. He tried to...
Walk back.
He got hit.
You got any dope on you or something, man?
Oh, yeah.
You got dope or no?
Yeah, where'd you get hit?
I got ran over getting out of my car. It hit me on this side. My squad's destroyed. It ripped my whole driver's door off my car.
Oh, okay. Do you need me to take Jocko?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
My left leg's just starting to hurt a little bit.
We're gonna need 2 ambulances here for 1 officer and the suspect with a dog bite.
The problem isn't just the bite from the dog. It seems that Jaquan's car was still moving when he ran away on foot. The officer we see fell to the ground because he got stuck between Jaquan's car and a police car for a short time.
He tried to carjack somebody in a silver SUV over there.
No, I didn't.
Says, the f you did? Shut up.
Oh, I didn't, boy.
Dude.
Trying to carjack nobody.
So, yeah, he tried to carjack somebody that was sitting in a silver vehicle over there.
Trying to take cover.
So, somebody will need to talk to them as well. Okay, dope was in front and right pocket.
Yep.
This was on him, and then gun I saw.
Yep. Is he a felon?
Oh,
we want DNA if he's a felon.
Okay, yeah, no idea.
I got these on.
Okay, perfect, thank you. What
We
was
need a
that?
paper bag.
Oh, paper bag?
Paper bag for guns if we want DNA.
Yeah, yep.
We should transfer the drugs to paper as soon as possible.
Okay. Me and the other injured cop are the only ones on in Monona.
Okay.
So I'm gonna have to see how many Madison cops I can steal.
Sure.
Is he getting transported, you know?
Oh, I'm sure. Where's his car at?
Out on the street, I think his car's totaled.
Oh, okay.
Jaquan 35, copy at 29. Perfect, thank you very much. First name, Jaquan. Further, it looks like K9 officers getting transported to a hospital, so we're gonna need more. We're gonna need more bodies here.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna go grab a car.
Okay. It sounds like Schmitz is already here.
Okay. Would somebody be able to go up to the hospital with him and stand with him for now?
Is that the 95's property?
Yes.
Are there keys?
No.
No. The vehicle is locked, and the trunk is locked too, so we can't get in the trunk right now.
Fortunately, the officer hit by the stray vehicle wasn't badly hurt. The suspect was arrested and accused of trying to flee from the police and resisting arrest, along with other charges.